In a remote Alpine blizzard, Mara awoke trapped beneath ice, a lone climber clinging to a stubborn shard of hope. Hours of cold, numb fingers and fear gave way to a whispered note she'd stuffed in her boot, tender guidance to endure. She followed that inner compass, saving energy for small movements, improvising a shelter and signaling rescuers with a faint beacon. When help arrived, Mara learned a stranger had shared her rescue plan from a town, a twist that felt destined. Her survival reshaped her life into service, as she became a mentor showing others how courage chooses them first.